For Edmonds Community College, we're really trying to be in the leading edge by being really innovative and entrepreneurial in how we address our budget reduction situation. We're looking at different vendors that can provide assistance to us in helping us analyze the situation and come up with a best practice that's going to provide us the most cost-effective return on investment opportunity for the college.
ATS Alerton is the company that we use for our energy system building controls. We don't have the luxury as a state agency, as a community college, to just go out and acquire new resources, new buildings, new equipment. So we engaged Alerton to find out what can we do to better use, to better manage the existing systems in the buildings that we have. What can we do to save energy, ultimately, and yet maintain comfort in the spaces so that we can continue to meet the needs of our students and the community that we serve.
ATS Automation, we're a building automation energy management contractor founded in 1986. We have offices throughout the greater Pacific Northwest, and we have thousands of installation of Alerton systems, Tritium systems, and Phoenix control systems. We have a dedicated team of energy engineers that focus on energy savings and building optimization. This team has a wealth of systems knowledge that helps customers save money without the necessary capital outlay by leveraging the existing systems that are already in place.
Alerton ATS is the company that we use for our building energy system controls. GridNavigator is an energy forecast data provider, and together the two companies are able to optimize the Alerton ATS controls to use the forecast data, which ultimately results in greater energy savings for us. To date, we've seen about 3 to 5% savings in energy and about 7 to 10% savings in demand.
Optimization is when the control system is constantly adjusting itself based on the current energy usage. Historically, we've been optimizing systems through instantaneous meter data. Recently, our team has worked on a couple of innovative projects that utilize a different method of optimizing systems that we're very excited about, and it's through predictive data. Predictive optimization is when you can accurately forecast your energy consumption for the upcoming hour, 2 or 3 hours, and then have your control system automatically adjust based on the predicted data to lower your demand.
Energy forecasting is predicting the peak energy consumption later in the day based on historical patterns that we've observed on previous days and so far today. The GridNavigator system uses statistical techniques that were originally developed for call center modeling and for financial markets and are applied here for the first time to energy consumption. It looks at energy consumption in previous days on 15-minute bins. It looks at temperature on previous days. It looks at the consumption so far today, and it looks at the temperature so far today, and continuously through the day it updates its forecast of the peak consumption later in the day. That forecast can be output to building automation systems such as Honeywell and Johnson Controls so that they can implement control strategies to reduce the peak consumption. Reducing the peak consumption saves energy, it saves money, and it's good for the planet.
We use GridNavigator's forecast data engine to help us implement our predictive optimization routines. We've seen 3 to 5% energy reduction as well as 7 to 10% in demand reduction throughout our joint projects.